How to log in into Wells Fargo account online. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Wells Fargo login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and click on the very first one website, wellsfargo.com. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Wells Fargo. Now at the top right, you will see the option of Sign On. Click on it. You will be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily access to your Wells Fargo account. All you have to do is type in the credentials of your account. Firstly, type in your username. Then type in the password. If you want to save your username, check in for this option. In the case you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign On, and just with that, you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Wells Fargo account online. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.